Welcome to Nature at Doorstep. In today's video, we are going to see about scarlet ginger, commonly called as orange ginger lily. As the name indicates, this is a species of ginger family. Unlike normal ginger, the scarlet ginger is not edible. It is hard in nature and it is mainly used only for the ornamental purpose. They grow at an altitude of 2300 meters above sea level. This again is a Himalayan flower, almost similar to Sikkim queen. I hope you have seen my video on Sikkim queen. If you have not seen that video yet, I'll give the link of that video in the description box. Please go and visit. Coming back to the scarlet ginger, you can find this plant mostly in Bhutan, China, South Bangladesh, and when it comes to India, you can see this plant in the northeastern parts of India, like Sikkim, Manipur, and in Arunachal Pradesh. These are perennial and they prefer moist and well-drained soil to grow. The flowering time for this plant is usually in midsummer, as they require bright sunlight for its flowers to bloom. And that is the reason you can spot these flowers blooming in the mountain ranges only from June to August. Now tell me, on looking at the spectacular floral spikes and its architectural appearance, what is the first thing that is coming to your mind? For me, it appeared like a layered lamp, which is mainly used for performing the Aarti ceremony as an offering to God. As per Hindu mythology, it is stated that when an offering is given to God using a lamp, it means that the light from the lamp actually drives out all the darkness in your life. And I could only visualize these orange colored flowers in the scarlet ginger are like the flames in that lamp. And I hope many of you might be thinking the same with me. And if our thoughts are alike, please do give a thumbs up in the comment section. And if you're having a different point of view, please do mention your views again in the comment section. I'd like to visualize your point of view as well. And now coming back, when you observe this magnificent flower very closely, you can make out that these floral spikes has got small individual flowers in it. Not only that, because of its bright color, huge size, and the mild fragrance that it spreads, it is not just the humans who are attracted towards it at first sight. Even the insects and birds are attracted towards it, and especially the hummingbirds. And you know one thing? These flowers will be in full bloom only for few days. But even when they dry out, this plant still retains its architectural appearance of these floral spikes. And it looks absolutely gorgeous to look at. After the flowering season is over, small red colored fruits starts appearing somewhere between October to November, which are then carried away by birds, wind and water. Just out of curiosity, when I researched about this plant to learn more about its uses and other factors, it was so shocking to me when I read that this beautiful flowering plant is considered as an exotic ornamental weed. Yes, you heard it right. This plant is considered as a weed by many countries. In fact, countries like Western Australia and South Africa has listed this ginger variety as quarantine pest. Can you believe that? And even they have declared this plant as a weed as per the Conservation of Agricultural and Resources Act 2001. And according to this act, this plant can no longer be planted or propagated or even transported either as a seed or as a cutting into their country. Reason being, it is one of the fastest spreading weed, as its seeds are carried away by birds, water and air. And not only that, since it belongs to a ginger family, its rhizome keeps multiplying with years. And more importantly, it's a perennial plant. Apart from all this, there are other external factors as well. They say because of its huge sized leaves, this plant occupies most of the land and it prevents access to plantation. When research says that this plant is used only for ornamental purpose and it is considered as a weed, the people here in Arunachal, especially the tribal people over here in Arunachal, has got an altogether different story to tell about this plant. For them, when the scarlet flower is worn behind the ear, It acts like a powerful repellent against evil spirits, evil eyes, and even diseases. And they consider the roots, that is the rhizome of this scarlet ginger, is the best medicine for headache. And not only that, if there is any swelling in the body, they strongly believe that taking the pulp of the scarlet flower and applying it on the swollen area can reduce its swelling. Strange, contradictory, and informative, isn't it? For me, any plant in this earth has got some uses or the other, be it medicinal or be it ornamental. I'll leave it to you. I hope the video is informative. To get more updates about the flora and fauna of Himalayan ranges, keep watching Nature at Two-Step. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, do press the bell icon for getting the notifications on my upcoming videos. Thank you.